my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing from Mint Mongoose. Now, if you're not familiar, Mint Mongoose is a monthly jewelry subscription. You get 3 pieces of jewelry. You do get to set a profile on whether you'd like earrings or no earrings. You can set your metal tone, silver, rose gold, gold, or surprise. It runs $16.99 a month, but see, I prepay for the subscription ahead of time, and I only pay $13.99. And I specify silver in mine. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. She has daily specials all the time. In your email, she'll send you notices saying that there's a sale going on, and she has t-shirts and other things available as well. Now, each month, you get a little envelope with the Mint Mongoose seal. She sends an art print with information about your pieces this month. And this month, it's Love the Ups and Downs is the inspiration behind this set. So let's go ahead and tear into this. You get all this stuff. You get a Werther's original. We've got a good thing going here. Magical Mongoose. Happy 6-month anniversary. Woo! And usually she sends something for free with your anniversary, which is every 3 months. And it looks like I've got a keychain with a C on it. Love it. It's a little piece of wood. And this is a piece of pleather, I would say. Yeah. So I have that. She sent me a little, let me take it out of the package. Another one of these little bracelets. Now, I did give the last one to my daughter, and she loves it. So here's this one. And of course, you can slide these to make it larger. Yeah, that's cute. I like that. Thank you. And this is a scratch off. See, it says scratch me. So let's see what I got. Text this number to this number to find out what you want, what you've won. Oh, okay. I have to enter a code into a phone number to see what I won. Okay, that's exciting. I will do that later. Oh, my goodness. And she also sent me one of these. It's like a magnetic closure with some lobster clips on it. Nice. Boy, I got all kinds of things this month. And then your jewelry comes in these packages. She wraps them up in like little bubble wrap. So let me unwrap these and I'll be right back. So the first thing are these cute little earrings. Wait, I'm having trouble. Very cute. I like them. And then to go with it is this piece here. Let's go ahead and put that on. Each one comes with an extension chain on it with the Mint Mongoose logo so that you can set it at a variety of places. Let's see. Let's see where this one wants to go. we go. Just like that. Let's see one of the earrings. There we go. And here are those earrings. I like them. They're bigger than the ones she usually sends. I like that. I like it very much. And I believe that this was my third piece of jewelry, because you usually get 3 pieces. So I think this was my third piece, and these 2 are my anniversary gifts from Helena. It's either Helena or Helena, I'm not sure. So I'm going to text and see what I won. So I did text that code to the number that she provided. I'm still waiting to see what I won, but the suspense is killing me. But I'm so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.